Good morning, world. Before we get started today, I want to share something with you that a YouTuber shared with me. This comes from I knew I wouldn't say that right. ClappedOutClassics, who is a young feller by the name of Dean, who I watched build a Chevy truck on YouTube. And anyway, he has a 56 Buick, nice looking two-tone Buick. And he sent me this. This is the torque ring out of the torque converter from a Dynaflow transmission. And the reason it matters is because I have made a banjo out of one of these, and I've got parts to build a second one. In fact, Chevaholic, which many of you know, sent me a tone ring also. So I've had two different YouTubers send me these Dynaflow tone rings. I'm going to set this one in here, bring this one in here and show you. Here's my banjo I made out of the 53 Dynaflow Cadillac tone ring. You know, it looks to me like this one is a little bigger. See, here's the one that Chevaholic sent me. I want to do a little comparison here. Well, I am not the world's best at keeping things neat and orderly, I can tell you that. So this one I've actually got a rim and a head all set up for. But let's put these two kind of side by side, because actually one of them looks a tiny bit smaller, but I may just be having an optical illusion here. Let's look at that. Nope, same size that way, and it is actually a little bit taller than this one, which is interesting. That might make a fun project. Well, I mean, they're all going to be great projects, but it's interesting that one is a bit different than the other. That's going to be cool, though. Very interesting. So, let's put this over here. Actually, I need to... What I was telling Dean when we were talking about this is that one of these days, I'm going to get some time to get back into banjo making. I have been focusing on getting the rat rod going most recently, and I may be making a trip to Georgia pretty soon, so there's also that. So anyway, thank you very much. If any of you get a chance, go over to ClappedOutClassics and look at what he's doing over there. He's got this cool Chevy pickup truck, yellow and white, and he's also got a two-tone 56 Buick, and doing some awesome work. So y'all go over and say hey for me. Tell him I said thank you if you talk to him before I do. See you, bye.